Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to try and pick this Ruco 2 nice double green stripe with an Assa 6000 core. You might be able to just see the sidebar pin down there, but if I get it picked I'll be able to show you. It is 6 pin, 5 finger pins, low high, nightmare to do. Double ball locking mechanism. Clamp it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Mess the pins up even more. Going to the top of the keyway. The standard hook. Six is binding. Click out 6. Click out 5. 4. 3. Nothing on 2. Click on 1. A bit of counter rotation. Oh, I must have picked 2 because pin 2's not there now. Mustn't have been on the right part of the lock. Bit of counter, bit of a false set, so it's put a bit of tension on the sidebar. I'm just going in with just a little dimple pick. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. 3's binding. Click out of 3. 4's binding. I know that's a high cut. Let's click out of 4. 5 is. Right, well, I'll set that on. Let go a bit of tension. Start again. 1's fine. 2's fine. 3's binding. Click out 3. 4's fallen. High cut 4. 5. 4's fallen. Let's click out 4. 3 has. I want to slip off. Click out of 1. 2's fallen. I can't rotate the false set off pin 2. 5 feels fine. 4 feels fine. 3's they're picked now. Let's see pin 1. Definitely a cardinal. Pin 2. Slipped off it. I dropped pin 1. Oh, there you go. We've got an open. I'm glad to get that on camera finally. Right, let's get this good. Get rid of these. Pan down a bit. Get my stuff out. Let's get dismantling this. Keep it in shot. That's not a bad time, that. I've managed to pick it a couple of times, but I say my shortest time was, I think it's 33 minutes. So I'm pretty glad about that. Won't lock with the shackle open. Silly boy. Lock it back up again. Right. Screwdriver. My hands are very sweaty. It's a very warm day today. Oops. It's just tailpiece. Right. Can't get the key in. Leave that there. This, make sure I've got the pins. Sidebar. Up. Do there. All clean swoop. Yeah, let's put that there for now. The sidebar here. There, let's put this down, get tweezers out. I'm a bit more organised because I'll just leave them at the side now. Here's the sidebar. Unmodified. With all the notches in there. Let's put that down for now so I don't drop it. I need to get rid of these springs at the side. 2 springs, that's brilliant. Right, get rid of these key pins. Always one. Use your tweezers. No, knock instead. Pin 6. 5. Right, take these key out. Don't want them springing out because they do catch and then just pop up. Here. There you go. There's one. There's 2. There's the third one. 4 and 5. Shut the springs just before them. Yep. Don't drop it, man. Oh, it sprung somewhere. It's there. Safe. I've dropped it twice now. Right, let's have a look at the core. Look at the catermilling on that. Chambers 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Both sides. No modifications whatsoever. Put it down. Let's get these key pins out now. Don't know why I use these. Turn it that way. Just drop them in there, Steve. Springs in there. Dump them out too, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 stuck in there. Nothing else in the Bible that I can see. Beautiful, beautiful locks these. I really do like them. It's cut out for the sidebar. I just dry my hand again and show you this sidebar. No modifications done to that. Yeah, I'll take some of these off. Don't like it when I've got tiny springs. I'll show you the sidebar pins, all serrated over the true gate. And the gin spools, all the same lengths, different lengths for keeping. Just put it the right way. Might as well. Just picked a great lock. Might as well do it properly, eh? The key pins for it. Nice gin spools. The catermilling works perfectly. Let me just. Works perfectly on the catermilling. Dig in. Really dig in. Float picking on them. It's quite good. I do like float picking. I do love the Assas. This 6000 has been an eye opener, tell you the truth. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much for watching. Stay safe. Goodbye.